This is just a quick video to show you guys how I cut and shape a coffin shape. I use my straight edge clippers here, and we're gonna shape this one. I go through on the side here and I cut, not too much, just enough to where if I don't get a perfect cut on each side, I'm able to go through and shape it to fix it. I use my 80-100 file. I use a 100 file to file on the plastic tips. So I start in the corner here, and the key to getting a perfect shape is to keep your file straight. So I put my file in the corner here, and I have it angled just a little bit. Flip it over, file on the side again, as such. And then when I get on top, I'm keeping my file straight, go side to side. And that's how I do my coffin shape. The tips I use are from a local nail supply store. I have no idea what the name of it is, but as soon as I find out, I will post that as well.